Just like the popularity of mechanical keyboards among gamers and creatives, prized for their tactile feedback and customization, LED strip lights are lighting up homes, gaming setups, and studios everywhere. With growing demand for ambient lighting that's both smart and customizable, shoppers want bright output, app control, voice assistant compatibility, and durability. This guide reviews the best LED strip lights for vibrant decor, mood lighting, and smart home integration. List no.
Govee, 100 feet RGBIC LED strip lights, Alexa and Google Assistant compatible. This 100 feet RGBIC strip light set from Govee transforms any space with vivid, customizable lighting. RGBIC technology allows independent color control on different segments, creating dynamic lighting scenes. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, you can change colors, brightness, or activate scenes using simple voice commands. The Govee Home app enables full control, including DIY modes.
List 2. Govee 100-foot RGBIC LED strip lights, smart home ready. This second Govee 100-foot RGBIC kit mirrors the first in performance, but includes enhanced app functionality and stronger adhesive for better installation on textured surfaces. Perfect for indoor decoration. It features 16 million color choices, segmented control, and real-time music sync, making it great for parties or ambient mood lighting. Smart home enthusiasts will appreciate its seamless Wi-Fi and Bluetooth dual-mode operation. The Govee app allows for grouping lights, scheduling routines, and setting automation triggers.
List 3. Govee RGBIC LED strip lights, Bluetooth app controlled for bedroom, perfect for bedrooms and personal spaces. This Bluetooth-enabled Govee RGBIC LED strip delivers the same vibrant lighting technology in a shorter, more manageable length. Using the Govee app via Bluetooth, users can unlock multiple color presets, animated effects, and music-responsive lighting. Unlike older RGB models, RGBIC allows simultaneous multicolor display on one strip.
The adhesive is strong. List number.
Govee Smart RGB LED strip lights, 16.4 fit, Wi-Fi plus voice control. This 16.4 fit Govee Smart RGB strip light packs powerful lighting features into a compact and budget-friendly package. Fully compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, it enables hands-free control over brightness and colors. Though it lacks RGBIC's multicolor display, it still offers millions of color choices, a responsive music sync mode, and extensive app customization via Wi-Fi, ideal for TV backlighting. List number. Hit Lights LED strip lights pre-cut dimmable RGB kit. The Hit Lights RGB LED strip light kit is designed with ease of use in mind. This kit includes 4 pre-cut strips, 1 feet and 4 feet, perfect for customizing smaller spaces like desks, shelves, or PC cases. The 50/50 LED chips deliver bright, vibrant colors with dimming capabilities, while the adhesive backing simplifies setup. Unlike the Govee models, this set uses a wired remote for control. No app or Wi-Fi needed, ideal for users who prefer a plug-and-play solution.